Okay, the last instrumental subgenre, so to speak, we are going to talk about in the classical era is the sonata. Now, this is a piece of instrumental music written to feature a solo instrument. When that instrument is a piano, it's usually a solo piece. If the instrument is anything else, it's usually accompanied by a piano. So a violin sonata, a flute sonata, a clarinet sonata, meaning violin and piano, flute and piano, clarinet and piano. Sonatas, like concerti, are usually in three movements: fast, slow, fast. The first fast movement being a sonata allegro form, then your slow movement, then your faster movement. So yes, you can have sonata allegro form within a sonata. And yes, the terminology is confusing. So here's an example of the two main types of sonatas, one for solo piano, and over here I have an example for violin and piano. And here, I have a video of the Mozart Piano Sonata in C major. Almost everybody who takes basic piano lessons will play this piece at some point. I've created a video here that really outlines the basic areas of the Sonata Allegro form in the first movement, so I do suggest taking a look at this. And then I have a few fun renditions of the Mozart Sonata. This appears in the Addams Family, the original Addams Family. And as you're watching this video, I'd like you to notice how Morticia and Gomez's style of dancing changes with a shift in genre from the keyboardist, because it actually is very, very informative. Another piano sonata that came a bit later was by Beethoven, and this is the Moonlight Sonata. Now, Beethoven wrote a ton of piano sonatas, as did Mozart, and we're going to talk about Beethoven in a few modules. The Moonlight Sonata is one of his most famous, and for good reason. It's a gorgeous piece. It was written for a lover who he was forbidden to marry due to the fact that Beethoven did not hold rank or social status, enough rank or social status to be able to ask for her hand. Again, problematic in 2024, but this is how things went in the 1800s. It is a very melancholy piece. And I'll let you listen to this on your own. And then I'll let you listen to this version. Schroeder from the Peanuts is a somewhat famous Beethoven fan, and the musical Snoopy does a fantastic job of mashing up the Moonlight Sonata with an original Broadway tune sung by the character Lucy. Last but not least, the Moonlight Sonata appears again in the Beatles in their song Because, and they use the harmonies of the Beethoven played backwards as the basis of their song, which, is pretty cool.